Hello, Mediterranean District principals and teachers. This short video is going to show you how to navigate to and use the latest 2013 Terra Nova results and file. Everything is on the website, meaning the district has its own support website, and the web address is right here. It's dsomed.weebly.com. If you type that into your browser, it'll instantly bring you to our Weebly support site. The link should be forthcoming to be posted on the official district website shortly. My name is Joseph Baltris, the Education Research Analyst. If you have any questions regarding this file or our data, please do not hesitate to contact me. So, if all you need to do is go to our website. This is the home page. To get to our student achievement data, scroll up to the top of CSI assessments, down to data analysis, and over to student achievement. Once you land on this page, essentially what you see here are 4 files for you to review. We're interested in the Terra Nova data file. Everything here posted is an Excel workbook containing filtered tables and pivot chart graphs. To download the file, simply click Download File. The file will download. When it's done, open the file, and what you'll see is this. There are 4 worksheets in this workbook. The first one, labeled All, is every single Dodds Mediterranean District school and the last 5 years of Terra Nova data by grade, subject, and performance level quarter, to include median percentiles as well. This is a filtered table. What that means is these little arrows that you see here in the corner of each column, all you need to do to find your school's information is click on that. A menu will appear. To find your school, simply check the box where it says Select All. This will remove all the selections. Go down, find your school, check the box, click OK. Now we have 5 years of data here by 5 subjects. There's a lot of information here, so it's to your advantage to keep filtering down, particularly either by a specific grade level or by subject or both. Something to pay attention to for each of these columns. Here we have the percentage. These are the percent of students in each performance level quarter, denoted by the percentile range for each. We here in DODEA are particularly interested in the percentage of students in the bottom quarter, and that would be percentiles 1 to 25. I have some highlighting in this particular column here. So this is called conditional formatting. Basically, anything that is 5% or greater is red. Anything less than 5%, I'm sorry, 6% or greater is red. 5% or less is green. And that is aligned to the brand new community strategic plan. It used to be 7%. It is now 5%. Likewise, in this far right column, this is the sum of these 2 columns. So this is the percentage of students at or above standard. So basically the percentage of students who scored between the 51st and the 99th percentile. The conditional formatting or color coding in this column, anything that is green is because it was 75% or greater. The next worksheet in the workbook is the percentage of students in the bottom quarter. These 3 series of graphical worksheets are all based on the data in this table. So what you have here is a graph for each subject. If you scroll down, the way this is set up is you will need to select your school simply by clicking on the graph. And what happens is when you click on it, a pivot table field list will show up here. Click on over to the right column here under the school field. A very similar menu will appear where you can find your school. Either to find your school, uncheck the current school, check the box for your school, click OK, and your school's data for this particular subject area will appear. How do you know it's your school? Because it says it right here at the bottom of the graph. The content of the graph is also mentioned up here by year. So each bar is a year. So there's 5 years worth of data. And you just need to repeat that for each graph. The next set of graphs is the percentage of students at or above standard. Essentially the percentage of students who are scoring in percentiles 51 to 99. Again, this is 5 years of data for each of the 5 subject areas. The same practice is click on the graph, this menu appears, click on the filter here, uncheck the box, find your school, check it, click OK, and your data will appear. The last tab is the median national percentiles. I have these formatted for reading and math only at the moment. If you would like social studies, science, or language arts, please do not hesitate to ask. I can easily create those. Every single set of these graphs, doesn't matter which one, is formatted to print. So all you have to do is print it, and you'll get a single graph per page like this. Lastly, the power of this set of graphs is you can use this for your school improvement status report planning and reporting. Your schools have been notified about an end of year reporting template. Within this template, the instructions were simply just copy and paste the graphs from your data collection plan, as well as these Terra Nova results and or other system-wide assessment results. So the way this would look in practice is you would have the short name of your measurable objective here, the text of your measurable objective up here, and this is taken directly from Assist. And then you can easily just take the graph for your school. Let me go to the percentage of students at or above. In this case, we want reading. You can just right-click, copy the graph, go to the PowerPoint, and paste it in. Done. Repeat that 5 more times, and you have the guts and bones of your status report complete, and it's ready for your end-of-year full staff data review, either at the end of this year or beginning of next year. That's it. Any questions, just ask. Here's the URL. My name is Joseph Baltris. Have a good day.